What is up, guys? Brit Tech here, back with another video. And today I'm going to be showing you how to add captions to your photos on iOS 14. And I'm going to be demonstrating using an iPhone 11. So let's get into it. Go ahead and open up your photos. Go to the photo that you would like to add a caption to. So I'm just going to go ahead and just select one of these random photos. And what you need to do is just swipe up on the photo. And as you can see right there, it says add a caption. So what you want to do is just click in there and add the title of whatever you want this picture to be. So I'm just going to put Nikes for sale because these are just some old shoes that I have. And I'm going to select done. And let me go ahead and swipe up again. And as you can see, it's there. So I just want to make sure it's saved. So I'm backing out and I'm going to go back into it. And there you go. That's how you do it, guys. So there's also an option that you can search for the photo. And what you want to do is go to the bottom right and select search. And at the top, just type in the caption that you named the photo. So for me, it would be Nikes for sale. So I'm just going to type in, let's see, part of it. And as you can see, the photo came up. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Peace.
Listen.